Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another exciting tutorial. Today, we're tackling something that's super relevant in 2025. How to withdraw your Dogecoin from the Arculus wallet directly to your Robinhood account. Whether you're looking to cash out for some quick gains or just manage your portfolio better, this step-by-step guide will have you sorted in no time. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have both the Arculus wallet app and your Robinhood account set up and verified. Security is key in the crypto world, so double-check that your devices are secure and you're on a trusted network. Okay, ready? Open up your Arculus wallet app and log in with your credentials. Once you're in, navigate to your Dogecoin holdings. You'll see a list of your assets, find Dogecoin and select it. Next, hit the Withdraw or Send button. This is where the magic happens. You'll need to enter the withdrawal details. Now, switch over to your Robinhood app or website. Go to your Dogecoin deposit address section. Robinhood will provide you with a unique wallet address for Dogecoin. Copy that address carefully. One wrong character could send your coins into the void. Back in Arculus, paste the Robinhood address into the recipient field. Then, enter the amount of Dogecoin you want to withdraw. Remember, there might be network fees, so check the estimated costs to avoid surprises. Review everything one last time: amount, address, and fees, then confirm the transaction. You'll get a confirmation prompt. Go ahead and approve it. Once the transaction is initiated, sit tight. Blockchain transactions can take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion in 2025. Keep an eye on your Robinhood account for the deposit to show up. And that's it. You've successfully withdrawn your Dogecoin. A quick word of advice: always use two-factor authentication and keep your private keys safe. If you're new to this, consider starting with a small amount to test the waters. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto tips. See you in the next video.